Hey y'all, so as you can see, my hair is now out. Actually, this is gonna be a different video. Let's rewind. Hey y'all, it's your babe Tay and welcome to my YouTube channel Naturally Curly. Be sure to check the description box for other information. You really want to do that on every video because I do update my description box for the most part, and I also have some other awesome things in there that I may not mention in the video. So if you watched my previous video where I showed y'all how to take down the braids and remove the dirt, then you are right on task for where I am at right now. So my hair is taken down. I have not cleared it out at all. I have removed all of the gunk. Well, the gunk from in the front. I honestly do have some right here still, but it's not like as thick as what was in front. But I will go ahead and when I get to that section of here, I will go ahead and remove that then. I am honestly now, as I told you guys, my scalp is extremely sore. Extremely, maybe not like so drastic, but it is very sore. Definitely very sore. And what I'm doing now, I'm not clearing it out. I'm actually parting it with my fingers and I am putting it into twists. So I definitely will be putting my entire head in these big twists, and my hair is so thick it wants to give me trouble. And then you guys can stay tuned and see what I do next to prepare for wash day tomorrow, because you know I really didn't want to wash my hair, not because I'm nasty or anything, but because I know what comes with that. But I decided, look Tay, like come on, you cannot style this. You cannot, like, look at the flakes. This is crazy. But you cannot style this without washing it. So plan B. Okay, so as you guys see, my dirty hair, the entire head is twisted into sections. Very, very important because it makes the hair way more manageable. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing next is, yeah, I forgot this in the car. I just ran downstairs to get it. I'm out of breath. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is spray water onto my hair. This is not water. Those of you who watched my video before this where I was taking down the braids, y'all know what's in here. If you want to know what's in here, go and check out that video and you'll find out. So I do not want to waste the rest of this, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. If you don't want to mix products, like I said, you definitely should go ahead and use water in your spray bottle alone. I need a pick. So the first thing before you put any comb or brush in your hair, you definitely, it's tight end, you definitely need to spray your hair. You do not want to be combing or brushing dry hair. You do not want to damage your curl pattern or your hair or cause breakage, especially if it's dry like mine. Let me take this off. So, oh, it locked when I took it off, so I won't even know if this is really recording because I'm using my phone again. It's just way more easier and convenient. Okay, so as y'all can see, look at my curls though. They are definitely popping out, and I have some products that I want to try, but the curls are definitely popping out now. So just go ahead and you can use a big tooth comb as well. I always advise starting at the end of your hair. It is not a race. Do not do this if you have to rush. Take your time. I should have gotten a pin or something. Take your time and see how I divided this into an even smaller section. Yes, you want to take your time and comb, or in this case pick through each section of your hair. You do not want bursting at all. Go ahead and pick through your hair. See how stretched my hair is, y'all? I do not want to wash it. I really don't want to wash my hair at all, y'all, because then, but I do have a method that I am gonna try to see if it keeps my hair elongated. I don't know if that's the word for there, but to see if it keeps my hair stretched, y'all. Do you see this? Like, come on. But it really does need washing though. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm using creme of nature. Okay, creme of nature or cream of nature. I'm sure that's creme, but creme of nature with argan oil from Morocco. And it's the intensive conditioning treatment. It strengthens, imparts moisture, and prevents hair breakage. So this actually says to put it on your hair and comb through for even distribution, and then let it sit, and then sit under a warm dryer with a plastic cap over your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. I will not be sitting under a warm anything for any reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in overnight, and then I'm gonna be looking crazy tomorrow, y'all, because I do plan to go to the opening of the new hair store that I was telling y'all about. And I guess this is gonna be my hair, so I'm just gonna be out here looking crazy. So I'm using a generous amount because my hair has been in braids for 2 months. So I just wanna, you know, really give it some, like, be able to tend to it now, because when it was in the braids, even though I moisturized like around it, I was not able to give it the love and attention that it needed. And then I'm taking my denim brush. This is the brush that I use most in my hair because it just agrees with natural hair. By the looks of it, it's as if you're not sure about that brush because it just looks rough, but it's really not, and it helps me to detangle my hair. So you see that? No, I'm not getting breakage, like awful breakage or anything like that, simply because clearing it out. So you do not, like, actually clearing out your hair does not require you to have this crazy amount of breakage. Okay, so just gonna go ahead and pick through one more time, and then I am going to twist this, not, I would say neatly, but like with more effort than I twisted those, because those were harder to twist simply because they were not detangled as yet. And y'all see this length. If y'all watch my previous videos, y'all know that my hair has been coming along nicely. I big chopped in August, July, August of 2016, was it? 2016? Was it? 2017? 2016? So it was 2016. So yes, of 2016. Y'all see this right here? It looks so nice and healthy, y'all. So nice and healthy. But you go ahead and do that around your entire head. And then I'm gonna put on my, I don't want to put on a shower cap because I kind of don't want to sweat my hair, so I'm probably just going to use one of my older satin caps because I do have a new one. I buy them every time I see them, but I'm going to put on an older one and go to sleep with my hair like that. I'm just so in love. Like, sometimes I wish my hair would not shrink up because it's just so pretty and beautiful when it's hanging down or when it's stretched. Okay, here's my last one, and I'm going to show you guys how they turned out. See how they're already like shrinking back up, but these are so, like, they're such pretty twists, y'all. And the three of the products are definitely gelling well. I don't have any residue at all, so I think I'm definitely gonna make this a staple in my hair routine because, yeah, I just love that I'm not getting any residue whatsoever. And I will say that while detangling my hair, my scalp has been good to me, or I have been good to my scalp. Somebody's been good to somebody, y'all. So I used a denim brush just now to clear it out. I'm going back through with the pick just to make sure that it is detangled for the most part. Make sure you go right down to your root, because if you only focus on the ends, then the roots will still be tangled. I'm gonna go ahead and I try to be generous when it comes to leave-in conditioners, to be honest with you guys, because hey, like, Well, this isn't a leave-in, but like this one is gonna be rinsed out tomorrow. But especially with those, I'm generous simply because it's gonna be washed out anyway. So yeah, but I'm definitely here for these chunky, beautiful twists, y'all. Just look at my hair. My hair is so healthy. I'm so happy about that. Again, I don't want to put any heat into it, so that's definitely a big factor. But just look at how they turned out, and then I'm just gonna cover my head and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. This will probably be on for more than 12 hours. We'll see how that works out. But I don't think that it should be a problem, simply because though it says 10 to 15 minutes, it does say under a heated dryer, which I'm not gonna be going under. So I really don't think that that should be any sort of issue. I should be able to keep it in longer. But this is how the twists turned out with their big and chunky cells. And ooh, let's see how long they are in the morning, y'all, because y'all know that shrinkage is about to be serious. So on to tomorrow.